Hi all. After purchasing a new handlebar stem to replace the one that snapped off when I was in Greenwich a few weeks ago, I decided to give the bike a bit of a clean, and after cleaning it realised it could also do with an update, so purchased a few things. The lettering that I had on the frame advertising my web with links on that web to the illegal, state-sanctioned torture and targeting program I've survived since 2009 and continue to try to expose to a public devoid of any knowledge of it, didn't lead to any person contacting me, but I've done the same again with my very recent purchases. Although I'm not anticipating any positive developments by way of help from those seeing my website on the bike and then visiting the site, I feel it's still worth persisting with this mobile advert, but I do have a few other strategies in the pipeline to establish the truth of this covert targeting program, and that's in addition to the evidence already acquired and deliberately gaslit by London's Metropolitan Police Force.